everybody. Good evening. It's Wednesday, and welcome to the Woodshed 3. I'm Andy, and we're going to go on a little field trip tonight. So we're going to go up to my friend Rob's house, which is just up the road from here. He's working on his 64 Ford Galaxy that he's redoing the interior. Needs a little help putting the door cards back in. We helped him last week with the felts for the windows, and I got a little video for that I'll add in. But we're gonna go up there, and usually we have a Wednesday night garage night at one of my friends' garages. We kind of rotate, and then yeah, again, thank you for tuning in. We're going to take you along. We're going to do some filming and see if you can maybe learn something about putting brand new door cards in that he just had upholstered into a 64 Ford Galaxy.
At sixflags.com.
All right, we're here.
Hey, the thrill is calling for you.
And there's a few people here, so we're going to try to see if everybody wants to be filmed, because I don't know if everybody wants to be filmed. So we're going to just film. If they don't, then they don't. Ugh. And this is my buddy's shop. That's his dogs barking because they love me. Hi, buddy. What's up? Cooper. Doing. Look at that beautiful car.
Oh, Rick drove his 34?
No, it's your car. Look at that beautiful.
Pickup truck with a wheelbarrow on the back of it. Yeah.
What camp is that?
Roaring Brook.
Yeah.
Oh, Roaring Brook. Yep.
Welcome back, but I'm hoping the doc will fall in love with his car all over again. Doc, one of the big challenges we had on this was the actual perfect shade of the paint.
And that's what I was concerned about so much. I brought it to Dan because of the integrity that he has shown me in all the previous work he's done.
So how are you ladies doing tonight?
We're doing good. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Wow,
Oh, hi.
you ran
What's
into
up?
a hair cutter, huh?
I did.
That's a
I
buzz.
did. There's a buzz cut.
Now,
Good.
Yeah.
did you leave the blue
Yeah.
flat?
You look younger, my friend.
Oh, wait, thank you.
Yeah.
Cleaned up.
I clean up okay.
Yeah. Not bad.
There's not, I'm not perfect, but I clean up okay.
Events, upcoming events.
So are you going to do
Change. Jesus, change up this Friday night.
So what seems to be the problem here, Rob?
Wait.
Being diligent,
Yeah, this
making sure every hole lines up.
Making sure every hole lines up on these door cards.
You measure 10 times and cut once.
That's right. That's right. Yep. You don't want to mess these door cards up because they're brandy new and they're just like factory. He's putting in the clips.
That's a do.
Very nice.
And then Saturday Screaming Eagle.
Very nice.
Not bad.
And then
It smells like brand new in here.
That is.
Yeah,
The
Todd.
ones that are like the, the scruffy.
Well, he cut it. It looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Todd cut his.
No, Todd's
Round
big.
can looks a lot better. Yeah, it looks a lot better.
Hey everybody, so we're coming to you after the fact. We just got back from Rob's doing the door cards on the 64 Ford Galaxy, and it's storming out right now. Thank goodness, because I didn't know if we were going to get rain today or not. My garden really needs rain, so I'm thankful for it. Hopefully the tomatoes will work back up. His seats are coming in this week from the upholsterer. He's going to be done with them, so we'll probably bring you that afterwards. But right now, it was a pretty good video, I think. We did some filming in the garage, in his garage. A little bit different, changing things up. We're going to be changing things up here and trying to not keep it just boring, just doing the floors on the panel band and this and that. So, it's a good storm. It's a good storm. I love a good thunderstorm. Always love a good thunderstorm. So, I want to thank you for tuning in to the Woodshed 3, and keep on tinkering, and peace.